Hey America, welcome to another stressed out street tire speed run. It's going to be sweet. Today, as usual, we're running our usual modifications. We got the lemon that's tested and true, and it knows what to do. So, and I got my last modification, I put out a video and I got a lot of feedback, and a lot of it was really negative, and it was, geez, some of you guys really know your shit. But what I did was I got a really nice comment from, Mob Street, super nice guy. And he told me the proper specifications and settings for my Tiger Tail. Now I had it over here off to the side, and I thought, if I had the clutch hand free, I could reach back and give it a feel over here. But he said, no, you only use your Tiger Tail when you coast. When you hand your hand off the throttle, you can reach back and give it a little, tassel here. It's so nice. Yes. But anyway, I think I got the settings right this time. Thanks, Mob Street. Now, remember, we are not far away from Bootleg Canyon Bicycle Park. This is BLM land, but their trails do link up with these on the BLM land. And, every now and then we run into a zombie-faced peddler. And anyway, that's about it. Here we go. I almost forgot. Carlos, if you're wondering, yes, sir, we did bring the Coleco football, because you know what? If it wasn't for Coleco football, I would not be playing Coleco football today. All right, here we go. Going. Oh, that's gonna cost him a few seconds. are the perils of the track. Whoa! Woo! Grinding corner speed. All right. We're getting close to the corner of death. There it is. Woo-hoo. Yeah! Oh, he's getting a little sloppy out there. He's sloppy. Oh. Oh, look at the corner. Where there's one. Oh, I don't know if that was a record or not. We had a couple mishaps. Zombie face peddler. Holy shit. I think I was fast. I feel it. I feel fast. I'm fucking tired. I'm gonna take a break. This is Clyde up in the booth, and we've been waiting a long time for the results of the speed tire speed run. In my opinion, I thought he was mighty fast. It was like legends has it. He has some blinding corner speed. It was like a rocket going around them corners. I think the Tiger Tail sticking straight up gave him quite the advantage. It's gonna be close though. What do you think, Cotton?
Well, you did go wide there a couple of corners. Cost them some time. And that zombie face peddler's tried to take a bite out of his neck. He was lucky to get by. That cost him some more time, too. It's gonna be close. Back to you, Cotton.
Yeah, I really don't know. It's so close. But my prediction, I think he did it. That Tiger Tail gave him a definite advantage. And the lemon has worked. It works. It just works. It just simply works. It's one of the best modifications I've ever seen on a motorcycle. This is Clyde back up here in the booth, and it's been a long time, and we are still waiting for the championship speed tire speed run timing results. Lemon Joe he's been walking around dancing and shit. What's that? Now he's shooting his gun off. Gee, he must be really what's this? Oh, we gotta get close to this. I've never seen anything like this before. Is it? It is. It's the championship ass pickle displayed on Lemon Joe's seat before the speed tire results are even out. That's called confidence, my friends. He knows he's got the record. It must be the Tiger Tail. It must be the Lemon. I don't know. He's displaying. I've never seen anybody display the championship ass pickle on their seat before the results are in. I've never seen that before. Cotton?
Yeah, it's a new one on me. We're gonna see how that works out. I've never seen a championship ass pickle on the seat before the results are out.
This is unheard of in the TW200 country. I've never seen this before. The championship ass pickle on the seat before the timing results have even come out.
Lemon Joe.